Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the keyboard layout for your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and you have to click on the settings icon. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can always search for that in the Windows search bar. Just simply type exactly settings word. In the list of options on the left pane, we have to look for time and language. That's under accounts, the one with the globe and time symbol. And here you'll find language and region. And here you will find preferred languages. Click on add a language. So we are going to change the keyboard layout of our Windows. Currently, we are in the English United States. Click on add a language. And let's say, for example, we are going to include any other language that we can understand. So I'm going to add Filipino. So this could be any language that you prefer or that can like a language that you can really understand, okay? So just simply search for that and then click on next. You have here text to speech, handwriting and speech recognition. Click on next and click on install. Now that will be installed. Once installed, you have to close this window and then click on this switch input methods on your taskbar. Click on that and choose the new language that you have added for the keyboard layout. So I'm going to choose Filipino. And now let's confirm. Let's open on-screen keyboard. Click on the start button, go to settings. Click on accessibility. Scroll down and click on keyboard. Click on screen keyboard. Close this. And now here it is. The keyboard layout has been changed to Filipino. So you have here tulong, ifade. Tulong is a Filipino word. So it has been confirmed that I have changed the keyboard layout of my Windows. So also in your Windows, you can simply do that. At here it is, mga option. So it is also a Filipino word. So that's it. That's how you can easily change the keyboard layout for your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.